Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin ready for a move higher. Listen, before we go over this Bitcoin chart, I want to make sure everybody knows about the $500 Bitcoin giveaway. In 6 days, I'm giving away another $500 in Bitcoin. To enter for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, very important. Like the video, leave a comment in the comment box, the videos for the next 6 days. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period. $500 in Bitcoin, booming. This is a Bitcoin 1-hour chart. You can see Bitcoin broke to the upside of this rising wedge. I mean, this is a very bullish sign. Now, I mean, potentially you've got this rising channel again. With this parabolic price rise idea, you've got to assume that the price action continues higher until it doesn't. I mean, it's respecting the parabola. It sounds basic, it sounds simple, but I mean, just remember, until this price action breaks this parabolic price rise, I mean, you're looking for $59,100, potentially $60,000 Bitcoin. There's going to be a ton of resistance up here at 60,000. Want to see how the price action reacts to those levels. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person hit me up on January the 31st. He'd been in the group for a little bit. His portfolio was up to $90,000. Less than 1 month later, $200,000, more than doubled his portfolio. Life-changing money. This person, not even in the group, he says, I'm going to join very soon. Listen, this is why you have to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to give you guys free setups and help you make a ton of money. This person made over 10,000 pounds this month. Wants to join for a lifetime membership. Listen, you can see his profit and loss for the month right here. Straight off his profit analysis on Binance. 10,415 pounds. This person started investing in cryptocurrency in November. And you can see he joined Crypto Revolution trading group the first of the year. He implemented the techniques a month later. He doubled his initial investment in 20 days. Tomorrow, he's quitting his day job. Huge. Listen, the bottom line is this. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes, period. Right now, today, this is the easiest money you're ever going to make in crypto. You got to make the most of it. I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups and coins for the entirety of the bull run. Life-changing money. Go to my website, cryptorev.net. All the information to sign up. Right now, if you sign up, you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, you get 50% off. I want you guys to look at this weekly gainers list just to kind of set the tone for what's going on, like what's the market movers for the week. And we used to make fun of these coins, remember? Like sushi. Here's bake, burger, Dodo. I've got a Dodo set up in a second. So I guess from now on, we're just going to freaking go all in on the craziest sounding tickers, right? So bottom line is this: bakery, bake. Look at this. Are you freaking serious? 13,000% gains. This 131x'd in a month. Bake. Imagine getting in on that early. Life-changing money. Burger. 13, almost 14x'd in a month. Front. 5x'd. Dodo has 12x already. But remember, I mean, Bake, essentially, it 12x'd and then it 20x and 50x and 100x and 131 ended up at 131x, right? There's a lot of upside. I really want you guys to focus on these DEXs. These DEXs, there's a ton of, I mean, it's not even about what's actually going to take over the world, but we know DEXs are the future. But perception is enough, right? This is a speculative market, right? And so if people believe, like, hey, this is it. This is the next Binance potentially is right here. One of these DEXs, right? There's a ton of upside based just because, I mean, if people believe in it, they're going to buy it and it's going to pump the price. Huge. So I'm going to give you guys a Dodo setup real quick. This is Dodo USDT. So you've got this, you can see obviously the price is already up considerably. But at this point, you've got this rounded bottom here previously broke out and it formed a higher low, right? This low right here is higher than the previous low. So what I'm looking for, and you can see it's kind of got this rounded structure right now. The safe entry here is to buy the breakout of this level at about $7.30. You need breakout volume, confirmation. You need to know how to trade these setups. If you don't know how to get into these coins and take profits and get out of these setups, I can show you everything. I can show you everything. I get so excited about the trading group because everybody's new. 99% of the people are new to trading. They're not veterans. They don't come in the group like, I know how to do this, right? Life-changing money is happening to new traders. Buy the breakout of this level. Here's your targets. $7.70, $8.13, $8.45, $8.80, $9.18, $9.70, $10.60 for Dodo USDT. Again, I went through and I kind of made an explainer what Dodo is. Dodo is a DEX. It's an on-chain decentralized exchange liquidity provider for everyone. It's powered by a proactive market making algorithm. You can see PancakeSwap, Cake, which has had tremendous upside. It says welcomes breeder Dodo to syrup pool. Like, this just almost sounds comical, right? People are getting rich off breeder Dodo, PancakeSwap, Cake, Dodos, bakes, sushis, whatever. Anyways, the point is, Dodo just started trading on Binance on February the 19th. There's a AMA on Tuesday. So you might get some type of news, some type of hype. That would be obviously positive for the price action. I think I just want to freaking hold some Dodo so I can tell everybody, dude, I got rich on Dodo. And they look at you crazy. Now, seriously, make sure to trade the chart, right? Trade what you see on the chart. It's always the best way to trade. Phantom Foundation came out. This cross-chain bridge between Ethereum and Phantom is launching soon. Ethereum users are going to be able to enjoy fast and cheap transactions. Phantom transactions are confirmed in 1 to 2 seconds, cost a fraction of a cent. There's a whole new UX coming for DeFi. And so FTM, I had this setup posted. It took 10 days. We made 111% profits in 10 days off of FTM. Huge gains. Uniswap's 2020 Uni airdrop now is worth $12,000. So originally Uniswap was dropped to a bunch of people that use Uniswap and has seen an explosive price rise, $12,000, right? Why don't government stimulus checks do this? Bounce to 12,000 from 1,200, right? So I guess the question is, are you guys still holding Uni? Listen, Uni still has 10x potential from here. Easy. I think Uni does 10x easy here. So listen. Uni airdrop, epic. Do you guys remember Uniswap? I gave you guys this setup on the 27th of January. 11,000 people saw this setup, and it was like, hey, I was just basically explaining, like, how do you find entry into these coins that just keep on moving higher, right? And you get these falling wedges, bull flag. Buy the breakout of this bull flag I said in this video. Uniswap was at $15. I mean, we know Uniswap has had some amazing upside. Previously in the trading group, I posted this setup right here, where Uniswap was at $8.50. Buy the breakout of the falling wedge. And you can see Uniswap is up 300%
from this point. Now, what I want you to do is look at this triangle and focus on this. There's a bunch of upside if this breaks higher. Okay, so to give you guys some targets on this, I mean, you could see $32, $34, $36, $37, almost $38 Uniswap, $40 Uni is in the cards. The nice thing about these triangles is there's an apex. Like there's a high probability that this triangle breaks out before it's 75% full, or right up at 75% full. Okay, so that means you've got some breakout ideas coming over the next couple days for Uniswap. So I mean, you're essentially, you can go in here and you can right click this upper trend line and you can add an alert, and it takes 2 seconds to add an alert. You create it, and in one click you've got an alert here, and so it's going to let you know when Uniswap breaks out. Now, an aggressive buy obviously is a slower trend line, so keep that in mind. Reef Finance. So Reef Finance has all this news coming out. They have Parachain auction, Tron Foundation, and Harmony partnerships. They have a Hello Band Dot partnership, right? It's part of the Polkadot ecosystem. They have a ton of Twitter followers. Anyways, the point is this. Down here in this green box, Ivan on Tech, Crypto Lark, and Crypto Mobster YT YouTubers are paid to pump this coin. And it says, hey, they're featuring Reef. Obviously, they didn't do it for free. So identify that certain YouTubers get paid to shill coins, and here they're shilling Reef. And here's the setup, and I talked to you guys about it previously, right? We're waiting for some breakouts. By the breakout of this falling wedge, it hasn't broken out yet. You had some volume come in. We were watching it earlier, but again, you need a confirmed breakout. Tons of upside over here for Reef. It just hasn't taken off yet. It's running out of room, though. It's running out of room. Orion Protocol came out with a ton of news talking about staking on Orion Terminal is approaching, right? So you got staking coming. And then they announced, Orion Protocol announced that DAO Maker is the second Orion Launchpad liquidity partner. So tons of good news out of this. Listen, we had this in the trading group posted as kind of a cup and handle. You guys see these all the time. Remember, rounded bottoms pay the bills, baby. We hit this for 87% profits. There's still a ton of news on this, still a ton of upside. ORN in the news. This is STMX. Do you guys remember this? I got a ton of setups for you guys, a ton of amazing setups at the end of this video. This is STMX USDT. So you guys remember this? 17,446 people saw this video 2 days ago. 2 days ago. By the breakout of this level, guess what happened? Boom. 27% max gains out of STMX. Look at gas. You know, this is a previous setup where it was by the breakout of this level, but you had all this sideways chop right here, which was essentially consolidation. And then finally, gas took off. And you guys have seen gas. I mean, it ran from 553 Satoshis, and it's just like moon mission. Like, no, past the moon. No, Neptune. No. Listen, Pluto, 3,000 Satoshis. Huge. I guess the question is, what's the next gas, right? So if you missed the gas setup, probably a lot of people did. So what's the next gas? And so that's what we kind of were covering on Twitter. Make sure, follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. And so this person came out, shout out to Chester. He said, and we were talking about Aeon, and I'm going to give you a chart on this in just a second. So Aeon's an old proof of work coin, he stated. You know, he said, look at Zen and RVN. These are coins that have pumped crazy. Miners have spent the last 3 years accumulating these assets and waiting for the market conditions to be favorable to pump their coins. And so Aeon is a coin, it's an old proof of work coin that I said, hey, this thing looks like gas, looks like Raven coin, real similar market structure. Okay, so you see you got this huge downtrend, right? And then this double bottom, right? Double bottom. And now it's by the breakout of this level, and it hasn't really broken out yet. Okay, so by the breakout of this level, again, you can see Aeon's market structure similar to gas. You can see this guy pump hard, so keep an eye on Aeon. RVN, we know RVN has done amazing. I gave you guys a setup on this, and it's up like 700%. We talked about it yesterday's video. Well, now RVN is consolidating into this falling wedge, right? So rounded parabolic price gain, and then consolidation, downsloping consolidation. 68% chance this thing breaks to the upside. And I mean, there's, 100% gain potential in RVN. Make sure, again, buy the breakout of this idea. This is CNN Live came out with this. It says, would you invest in Bitcoin? 86% of the people out of 20,000 said no. 14% said yes. And I'm thinking, so don't worry, give it to the herd. As soon as Bitcoin's $100,000, this completely flips and everybody wants to buy Bitcoin. Right? This is how this market works. It lures in all the retail investors, the herd, the sheep come in chasing green candles. Don't be a sheep. Make sure, and the most important thing about being ridiculously successful in this market is counter trade your emotions. Buy the red candles. Buy the red candles. Buy when this market pulls back. If you buy the dips that make you just ridiculously sick, scare the crap out of you, you will make life-changing money in this market, right? Because you're buying all the coins that the weak hands are selling. Huge gains coming for all of us in crypto. This is Vechain Thor. Okay, so gas is pumping, ONG is pumping, which is Ontology's gas. Vechain Thor, USDT, buy the breakout of this bull flag. And it hasn't really broken out yet. You did have some volume come in. It really wasn't what I was looking for as far as breakout volume. Hasn't started moving yet. But again, keep this on your radar. Yesterday, I posted this tweet with our RVN setup, and I said, hey, retweet this for a chance to win one Litecoin. So I'm going to do the Litecoin giveaway right now. One Litecoin to a winner that retweeted this tweet over on Twitter. So go to the retweets, and then I'll just pick somebody random. We'll go down, up, down, up, down, up. Shane, at Shane Bray, B-R-E-H. Listen, tag me in a comment on Twitter. I'll get your address from you and get you the one Litecoin giveaway sent over to you. Congratulations to Shane on Twitter. Listen, if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.